Hey YouTube, we just got here. We are on the Norwegian cruise line, Epic Cruise Ship. We are still in San Juan, Puerto Rico. So that's what you're seeing, the city of San Juan, Puerto Rico. And we got a balcony cabin, and we love it so far. Hey, if traveling is your thing and you're looking to save money while doing so, then follow me on my journey as I give tips and tricks on how to save money while traveling.
Oh, y'all walk? They had their school.
Say hi, babe. That's
hello.
talking to the kids back at home.
Hello.
So as I said, we were absolutely in love with this balcony room. It's a small cabin, but they did make sure you had a lot of space. So as you can see, I'm opening up the doors just to show you where you can store things. We didn't even use all the storage. We just ended up using the closet space to put our bags in and hang up our clothes. There's the refrigerator. You do have to pay for those items, so we did not touch them. It's definitely a nice size bed, kind of like a small king size, definitely enough space for us. One thing I didn't like is that the bed felt a little short if you kind of laid towards the end. So, something to think of. There is the sink that's in the cabin. Now, the bathroom is a funny layout, but it worked for us because if I had to go to the restroom, he could take a shower or vice versa. So, it worked out for us being that we're a couple. So, that is the shower, enough space for us. You know what sizes we are, so we can fit in it good. And this is just from a different angle from when you first walk in. This is what it looks like. Now that's where you store your dirty towels and your dirty linen. And a nice size TV. Not too much to watch. I guess they don't want you in the room. But when we were watching TV, we watched different movies or whatnot. And it's just a space, enough space for us to sit. There's even storage behind that couch my husband is in, so perfect. All right, thanks, bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.